Good morning. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I love you. If you're not new here, thank you for rocking with me. So right now I'm inside the laundromat. I look crazy. I just have on a regular dingy old boohoo t-shirt with some little pajama shorts and my Crocs, of course. And I am doing laundry, and let me tell you something. You feel so good when you complete all of the laundry. When I say all of the laundry, I mean all of the laundry. Every blanket, every sheet, every piece of clothing, every sweatsuit, everything, just everything, every bra, and you just wash everything. And I'm so grateful because I accumulate a lot of clothes, like dirty clothes, and it's because I have a lot of clothes. Even when the clothes is piled to the top, we still have enough clothes to wear and get through the month, and so on and so on. And I think that's why I don't be so quick to get up and go wash clothes right away. But I'm trying to work on a routine. I always say this, but I mean, every day you get up is another day to get it right. So I'm trying to create a routine where I get back to doing my laundry at least once a week. Not once a month or once every 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks. If that makes sense. You understand what I'm saying? And that's why I can't wait till my washer and dryer is just, you know, next to the pantry, and I could just make me a coffee and throw the clothes in the wash and clean up my kitchen, and yeah, the life I want. So now but I am happy that I got everything done. The last thing that needs to get done is the blankets, and those are inside the washing machine. And I would love to come on here and be like, present myself like I'm that girl that, yes, I do my laundry once a week or every 5 days, and I make sure I wash all the linen every 3 days, and I make sure, if that is you, round of applause. But that is not me. And I just try to stay true to me and who I am, and just try to get better with my timing and what works for me. So, you know, my laundromat is downstairs in my building, so I have to go upstairs, downstairs. I do have an elevator, but to get to my elevator, you have to walk a flight of stairs, which is like the stupidest thing. So all of that plays a part in my decision making and like washing so often. So, but I'm going to try and make it my business to do 1 time a week. I'm going to set a goal for myself for the month of July to do my laundry once a week. Yeah. And then I won't even have so many clothes like piled up on me. But sometimes, like, now I don't want to say hard life, but sometimes like the challenges that we just go through, the day-to-day basic at home, sometimes we put it on ourselves. I don't blame anybody for me having my clothes piled up. Like, it's my responsibility. So, but I'm working on it, and I'm gonna get better. And it's so crazy. I used to have a good routine before I had royalty. I was down here every Monday. I was like on it. That baby came, and I just was like, ugh, clothes, who needs them? Obviously we do. So the weather's not too bad today. I am a little hot right now because it's hot down here, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna go upstairs and we're gonna see what we're gonna fix to eat. And then, yeah, that's just it. So sheets, everything is done. So I had a little lunch. I ate what I ate yesterday, the rice and beans and fried chicken, and it was Bussin'. I feel like I want an icy. My daughter been busting these ices down. Let me see. Let me get a little something, something. So now I'm just gonna relax for the day. Put away my stuff. Ain't gonna do too much. Probably husband will cook today. Not sure, but we'll figure it out. All right.